Hello everyone, good day and welcome to my channel once again. If you are one of those who are willing to join Nigeria Navy, this is to tell you that Nigeria Navy 2024 recruitment have started, and here in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide to join it. So if it's your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. The registration started on 2nd January 2024 and is going to be end by coming February 2024. If you are willing to join, worry not. Here I'm going to guide you through on how to register and how to join and all the requirements needed. So it's not part of what I'm doing on my channel, but as to help my fellow Nigerians who are willing to register and don't know how to do it. Don't go to cafe and spend your money. Here I'm going to show you everything. Let's go now. First of all, you have to check the description of this video and click on the link there. The link will lead you to the official portal. And the next thing is when you are in the official portal, this is how the interface looks like. And you have to read everything. As you can see here, it started on 2nd January and it's going to be terminated on 2nd February. So how do you register? The first thing to do here is to click on this. Click here to view guidelines. All right, let's click it now. So that we can know the guideline of this application, that is all the requirements needed. All right, guys, as you can see here are the guidelines. If you look at the guideline number 1, applicant must be a citizen of Nigeria by birth. And if you look at number 2, applicants for entry categories A5, B1, B2, B3, C1, D1, D7, E2, and so on. F1 requires school certificate and must be between the age of 18 to 22 years by 30 April 2024. So here are the requirements. Number 3, applicants with higher qualifications are to provide their statement of results. Number 4, applicants must not be married or have children. Number 5, applicants must be free from any previous criminal conviction by a court of law. Number 6, applicants with any of the following medical physical challenges are not to apply. Number 1, sight problem, ear problem, communicable diseases, mental problems, stammering, or any physical disability. Applicants who have tattoos are also not to apply. Number 7, applicants must not be below the height of 1.69 meters for males and 1.65 meters for females. All right, you have to read all of them. And here are the requirements. You understand? You require you require West African Senior School Certificate, which is known as WAEC, and you also need NECO. You understand? So you have to read all the requirements. Number 9, all applicants must provide their national identity number, known as NIN, and back verification number, known as BVN. Number 10, applicants with other educational professional qualifications higher than those stated in paragraph 1 are not to apply. Applicants are warned that it is an offense to present false or forged documents for the recruitment. You understand? You have to read everything here and understand. Read everything and understand. Having read everything, you have to click on start. Look at it here. This is a start application. You have to click on this one now. All right, guys. The first thing to do is to enter your email address, password, and confirm. You must have email address. If you don't have it, you can signify in the comment section so that I can help you create one. As you can see, guys, I have entered my password, my email address, and confirm the password. Now I have to click on register. All right, it will take us to this place. So in this category now, it is called biodata, and you have to select everything and fill the form. First of all, you have to select the category. You understand? Depending on what you have read so far, you have to select the category that you are qualified for. You understand? So in this case, let's assume I'm qualified for aircraft engineering. So I will click on it. Then you select your title, Mr. Then you select your surname. For instance, I'm going to write my surname now. Then you require your first name. Now I don't have middle name. The next thing now is to select my date of birth. All right, let me select my date of birth now. Okay. Do you see it now? In place of male, in place of gender, you select it. In place of height, you select your height. You have to measure your height first before you select it. Okay. Then in place of NIN here, you enter your NIN number. That is here. You enter your BVN number. You select your state of origin. For instance, I'm from Kogi State. You select your LGA. For instance, I'm from Dikina local government. Then you select your examination state. You understand? Then you select your center, that is the place you write your exam. You select your religion here, your marital status here. I think if you are single, divorced, or married. All right, let's scroll down. In place of mobile number, you have to enter your phone number. Hobbies, that is your job, what you are doing. Your hometown, you have to select your hometown. Then you have to select the number of children you have. Then you enter your permanent address. Let me do that very fast so that we can continue. All right, guys, can you see it? Save and continue. All right, let's wait for it. Okay, this is the next one now. This is for the next of kin. You can use your brother, your sibling, or if you have any children, you can use them as your next of kin. You enter their name here, their occupation, their address, their relationship status, their mobile, email, then their guardian, their parents. Then you click on next. Let me do that very fast. All right, guys, as you can see, I've entered my next of kin details. So I have to click on next. It will load and take us to the next one. So here is education qualifications. So you have to enter your school details. Let me do that very fast. So as you can see, I've filled in my education qualification, secondary, tertiary here. Having done that, you have to click on next. It is loading, just wait for it. Okay, in this particular place now, you are going to select your O levels, that is your 5 O levels. You understand? Maximum of 2 exam sitting, and mathematics and English is compulsory here. So you select subject, you select, for instance, you select English language, then you select exam the grade. If it is anything you get, let's say you got a C6, you select it, then just click on save. Don't forget to enter your examination number. So don't forget to enter your examination number. You click on save. You understand? You click on save. It is loading. So when you're done with this one, you click on next again until you are done with the application. Sorry, I don't have network. After you are done with everything, they will send you as file or as PDF to your phone. Then you print it out. You'll see when you have exam and other stuff. So this is how simple it is to register or to be recruited into Nigeria Navy. You should give it a try and drop it in the comment section if there's anywhere you're having problem. So if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.